Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Guys, on today's video we will be looking at ICE again, I know, and on ICE today we will be finding out if ICE has the right to come into your private or your public area without permission. But first guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, and as we move along, if I don't tell you to like the video, please remember to like the video. So yes, guys, looking at ICE today, we've heard about the ICE raids, ICE getting into people's homes, ICE arresting people on the streets, arresting people in their business places, ICE arresting people here and there. And yes, today I'm here to pour some light on, or some clarity on this particular topic. So yes guys, anyone has the right to get into your public, anyone, even ICE, has the right to get into your public space. They can meet you in garage, they can meet you at the garage, at parking lots, at stores, or wherever, because guys, you know, of course, it's a public space. And remember that being in a public space does not give ICE the right to stop or not to question you. Remember, you are in a public space. So public space, when they say public, means it's accessible by anybody. Yeah, it can be accessible by anybody. So ICE can harass you, they can harass you, they can question you wherever they see you in public, because remember, it's a public space. Just a tip for those who have businesses, to show that some part of your business, like a part of your business, is private, put like the private sign on it, and make sure that the doors are locked, and make sure that whoever wants to get into, in fact, make sure that nobody gets into that side of your business without permission, because it clearly states that it is private. So we've touched the public sector, like if ICE can harass you in public, if they can ask you questions in public. Yes, because as we all know, it's public, so yes, they can do it. And now we were looking at like the private areas, like this is your home, your place of residence, if ICE can come into your home or your place of residence. And guys, the answer is this: no. ICE can do that, yes, they can come, but they cannot come into your home without your permission, and they must have a warrant. This warrant is a judicial warrant, guys. They can't come into your home without a warrant. They must show a warrant to actually say that, okay, fine, they have the right to search, they have the right to ask you questions in your home. So keep this in mind: ICE cannot come into your home without showing you a judicial warrant. Guys, a judicial warrant must be signed by a judge and must say at the top, U.S. District Court. When ICE officers demand to enter your home, ask them to show you their judicial warrant. And when they show you their warrant, get a copy of the warrant, read it so that you better understand the content of that warrant. And remember, you can accept the warrant, but you can also decline the consent for them to search your home or your property. Remember, you have rights. Also, sometimes guys, ICE agents, they sometimes use administrative warrants to get into your property. But guys, remember, an administrative warrant does not allow ICE agents to get into your property without your permission. Also keep in mind that administrative warrants are not from court. So guys, general advice, remember, if ICE comes to your door, if ICE comes to your house, remember to ask for that judicial warrant. And also remember to read it so you better understand the content, and you have the right to decline. Yes, if you don't want them to decline to the consent to search, you have that right to decline. And guys, too, remember that when you read it, it must say U.S. District Court. If it's an administrative warrant, guys, they cannot use that to get into your home. So guys, be vigilant. Make sure you read that. You read the copy of the warrant that they give to you. After touching all of that, the next thing we are going to look at is like during raids, what to be mindful of during raids. So guys, during raids, right, be very mindful, be watchful of what the agents are doing. Look at pay mind to the things they search, pay mind to everything that they are doing, so that in case it does not fall within that warrant, like in case what they're doing does not fall within that warrant, you have the right to voice out your grievances that this does not fall within the warrant that they showed you. So you have the right to voice that out, that you're uncomfortable with what is happening. And make sure, guys, you know that we are in a digitalized world now. So with everything that happens during those raids, if you have the opportunity to take videos or to take photos, guys, do it. All of this is going to be used as exhibit or as evidence. So if there's anybody around, because I know sometimes they stop you from taking all those videos and so, but guys, try as much as possible to get videos during those raids. And the reason I said to get video during those raids is because so that in case your rights are violated or anything is violated, guys, you have proof to show that okay, fine, I was violated during the raid. So if it's possible, please do get a video footage. What if ICE tries to harass, detain, or arrest workers without proper authority? If that happens to you, or if you're faced with this kind of a situation, the best thing to do is to stay silent and demand for attorney. Yes. And you are not under any obligation to hand them your ID or anything. Nope, you are not. But all workers have rights, and remember, whatever information you give to ICE will be used against you. So the best thing to do is to stay silent. When ICE agents have come and gone, right, what you're supposed to do next, you're supposed to write down how many agents came to your house, both those that were bought in and out. You're supposed to write that down. You write down how they were dressed. Were you mistreated by the agents? Did they make you or your employers believe that you could not leave? And after all this has been done, after you've taken like a record of all this, make sure to notify employees union. And guys, if by some unfortunate reason an employee, if any of your employee or you know somebody who gets arrested by ICE, please make sure to ask where the ICE agents or the ICE officers are taking this person to, because this information will help to locate the person by the family, either by the family or by the loved ones. So we've come to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. So in case you have any questions, please feel free to ask down in the comment section, and as I said, I'll keep giving you updates about ICE. Thank you guys so much, and see you on my next one. Bye.